Singapore is one of the world's leading ports and is home to a diverse range of maritime businesses. Our client, Lighthouse Marine, provides these surveying services.
Lighthouse Marine basically is a surveying company where clients appoint us to do the surveying job. Our job is to make sure that the quantity and the quality of the oil received by their vessels is within control. The current problems that we are facing is, firstly, there is a time lag, so reports go to our clients really late. Secondly is the processing of reports by our admin. Basically, it's really tedious and take a long time trying to sort out the photos for the executive summary.
Notifications are automatically triggered to create a greater transparency on job progress. Batch upload of photos with suggestive captions ensures all mandatory photos are taken and prevents information loss. The manual and individual signing process is eliminated with the digitalization of e-signature and e-stamp. Most importantly, offline synchronization capability is supported when internet connection is lost.